Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see exercise 6.4. Give the graphical representation of the following equations. Okay, so first we have to represent on the number line and then on the Cartesian plane also. Okay, so for these 5 problems we'll see. So first one, x is equal to 3. So there is no need of finding x value. And y equals to minus 3. Y plus 3 equals to 0. When plus 3 is transposed to right side, it is minus. Okay. So 2x minus 9 equals to 0. So when we transpose this minus 9 to this side, it is plus 9. Students, 0 means nothing. Okay. So nothing plus 9 means 9 only, na? So x is equal to 9 by 2. So whenever you feel difficult to calculate the values like this, 9 by 2, just convert into money. Okay. So what is half in 9 rupees? You know, 8 rupees half 4 and remaining 1 is there, na? So what is half in 1 rupee? 50 paisa, na? So it is 4.5. Okay. So very easily you can calculate 4.5. And now 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So when we transpose this plus 5 to this side, it will be minus 5. Then x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Okay. So 6 by 3 means clearly we can write as 3 2s are 6. But here 5 is there, na? So you have to divide 5 with 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. So next here decimal point we can add a 0. Now 3 6 are 18. Again 2. So 3 6 are 18. So again, so it will continuous like that. So it is non-terminating decimal. So 5 by 3 is 1.66 and so on. So it is irrational number, students, we can say. So we can add 1 to the number immediately after the decimal. So we can write as 1.7. Okay. So now x values will represent on the horizontal number line, y values will represent on the vertical number line. There is no problem if you represent all the values in one number line also. Okay, then also it is correct. Okay, first we will see x is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 3. Right? So let it be A. X is equal to 3. And then x is equal to 4.5. So between 4 and 5 there is 4.5. So it is point B. 4.5. Next x is equal to minus 1.7. So it lies between 1 and 2 and nearer to 2 only now. So this is point C. This is point C minus 1.7. Okay. That's it. X values. So A value 3. Now Y values. Y minus 3. Here only na. So this one, let it be P minus 3. Next Y value 4. Here. Let it be Q. 4. This one. Okay. That's it. So like this you can represent on the number line. So for in the B question they are asking represent on the Cartesian plane. Okay. So Cartesian plane they are asking, and in the question they are asking graphical representation, right? So we have to represent on the graph. So to represent on the graph, we have to take the given equations as linear equation in two variables. Already we have solved the problems like this, students. X is equal to 3. So how can we write linear equation in two variables? X plus 0 into y. So there is no y. So we are taking as 0 equals to 3. So the values we can write x always 3. X, y. So x always 3. And here y value is changing. Once y is 0, we can take anything. For any value of y, x is 3 only. Okay. So these are the values. Okay. So now x comma y. So what is the point here? 3 comma 0, 3 comma 3, 3 comma minus 5. Like this. Okay. So for the second question, y plus 3 equals to 0. So we can write 0 into x. There is no x term. Kada? So x ni manam 0 ga తీసుకుంటాం. Plus y plus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So 0 into x plus y equals to minus 3. So here the y value is always minus 3 only. Here x value keep on changing. Okay. So y always minus 3. X first will take 0, minus 3 plus 5. So 0 comma minus 3, minus 3 comma minus 3, 5 comma minus 3. Okay. So in the same way, we will write these 3 also.
So here x value 4.5. So always x value 4.5 will take and we'll change y value. Okay. So here y0, 4, minus 2 I am taking. So points also I wrote. Similarly, for the fifth one, here what is the x value? Minus 1.7. Okay. So x value always 1.7 I'll take and y values we can change. And here x value you can also take 1.6. I adjusted now, but without adjusting you can take 1.6 also. So here y0.
So now we'll represent in the graph. So what is the first points? 3 comma 0. So here like this you have to write each time it is origin intersection of x and y axis. This bit is also given in FA2, right? Okay. So here x axis, y axis, above y axis above the 0 positive, below the origin negative. So it is right side of origin positive, left side of origin negative numbers. And each time we have to write scale also. Here only one difference now. So I wrote 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So points 3 comma 0. So y0 means it is on x-axis 3 comma 0. Next 3 comma 3. So on the x-axis 3 and on the y-axis also 3. Now 3 comma minus 5. On the x-axis 3 and on the y-axis minus 5. So it is 3 comma minus 5. Okay. Now draw the line. So this is the graph of x is equal to 3.
Similarly, we can represent all the points on the graph. Okay, so each time we have to represent and we have to draw a line through all those 3 points. Okay, and every time you have to write the name of that line also. Okay, so here the last one also we are representing
minus 1.7 and minus 1. Minus 1.7 comma minus 1. So minus, we are taking these points y value, right? You can take any value. So x again minus 1.7, y 3. So here minus 1.7 comma 3. So again join these 3 points with a line. So this is the graph of 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the solution of first problem in 6.4. Students, please like this video and share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.